in the realm of metals throughout the history of mankind. First metal to be shaped ever. First metal to be alloyed ever. Born from stars. Present in Earth's crust. The driving force of modern human civilization. The noble metal with malleable spirit for creation. Copper. And the company that molds the essence of copper to life. Multimetals. Just as copper is at the core of our planet and life, we at Multimetals have harnessed its boundless potential by manufacturing seamless extruded copper and copper alloy products. Since 1962, we've been sweating at over 1,000 degrees, breathing life into its raw essence. We have a casting shop where one can witness the immense power of melting, which enables us to manufacture over 6,000 tons of processed materials for our customers every year. We keep evolving and involving digital and automated solutions, which strengthen our core businesses and help us lead the industry as pioneers and market leaders in India. We use world-class machinery for processes like induction melting and casting machines from Ajax White, USA. (3,500 and 2,500 ton extrusion presses from Schlummen, Germany. And gold pilger mills from Mannesmann-Meer, Germany. Apart from drawing on benches, we are the first one in India to adopt continuous drawing on spinner block from MRB Schumag, UK, ensuring better quality and fast delivery. Our systems have testing on benchmark NDD equipment, such as hydrostatic testing, and eddy current testing. We have sophisticated laboratory which is approved from Government of India's Department of Science and Technology and NABL, which makes our organization apt for the future. With this, we have a range of products such as copper and copper alloys seamless tubes, finned tubes, U-bent tubes, bimetallic tubes, LWC coils, rods, sections and profiles. We always walk an extra mile for our esteemed clients from various sectors such as defense industries, shipbuilding and repairs, aerospace industry, power plants, and a wide range of other sectors who in turn value us deeply, with products exported to 60+ countries worldwide. Our global reach is a testament to our commitment to international markets. Evolving alongside copper's timeless allure, our journey has been transformative with multiple certifications such as ISO 9001:2015, 14001:2015, AS 9100D, PED and AD 2000 Merckblatt, Lloyd's Register UK, and more than 19 Export Excellence Awards. This is our world, where copper comes alive. where possibilities unfold, and where our company stands as the vanguard of copper craftsmanship. We manufacture only the best quality products to continue our trust and credibility with our clients, leading us to an illuminated future and into the very homes where dreams are born. We are Multimetals, engineered for excellence.